How to install Marketo demo content. Hi everyone, in today's video I'll walk you through the steps to install demo content in Marketo. This will help you familiarize yourself with the platform and see how various features work. Let's get started. First, log into your Marketo account at app.marketo.com. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to install and manage demo content. Once logged in, navigate to the admin section by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. In the admin section, find Launch Point under the Integration tab. Click on New Service to import demo content. Select Marketo Demo from the list of available services. Follow the prompts to configure and import demo content. You may need to select specific demo packages or templates based on your needs. Click on Import to start the process. After installation, go back to the Marketing Activities section to check that the demo content has been added. You should see various demo assets like campaigns, emails, and landing pages. And that's it, you've successfully installed demo content in Marketo. This will help you explore and experiment with the platform's features. For more tips and tutorials, check the description below, and thanks for watching.